This video will demonstrate the setup and use of the Advantech Manufacturing DuraTap Sieve Shaker. For best results, the unit must be permanently mounted. It is recommended the DuraTap be bolted to a steel table, heavily constructed wooden bench, or other suitable structure that will be able to withstand the hammering action of the unit. Refer to the operation and setup manual for detailed instructions on installation and setup of your machine. Prepare your test sample per industry standards. Gather all the sieves required for your test, as well as your weighing device, means of recording your results, and a sieve brush. Before testing begins, be sure your sieves are clean and dry. Weigh and record the tare weights of each sieve and the pan. Prepare the stack starting with the collection pan at the bottom, then arrange the sieves finest at the bottom and incrementally coarser toward the top. Extended rim pans may be inserted mid-stack to run multiple samples concurrently. Introduce your sample to the sieve stack. The sample size will largely depend upon the weight or density of the material sifted. Generally, a sample of 25 to 100 grams is recommended. Refer to Chapter 6 of Test Sieving Principles and Procedures for tips on determining optimum sample size. Place the test stack on the sieve support plate. Add the DuraTap cover. Be sure it is properly oriented so the dimple can receive the cork or rubber plug. Verify the hammer lift rod is at its lowest point of travel. To do this, make sure the machine is off and lift the hammer arm to expose the top bearing. Using a 3/16 inch hex wrench, turn the top bearing clockwise as indicated by the yellow arrow until the hammer lift rod drops to its lowest point of travel. Loosen the hex nuts and adjust the support plate until the hammer arm comes to an approximate level position. The DuraTap timer has 3 modes of operation: seconds, minutes, and hours. Press and hold the mode button for 1 second. The LED will illuminate which mode is engaged. Set your countdown value by using the increase-decrease buttons. Once your time is set, hit start. If you are unsure how long your test run should be, refer to Chapter 6 of our Test Sieving Principles and Procedures manual located in the back of your operation manual or found on the product info page of our website. Once the countdown reaches 0, the DuraTap will stop and the timer will beep indicating your test is complete. Carefully remove the stack, disassemble and reweigh the components. Record and calculate your results. For additional Advantech Manufacturing product and instructional videos, please visit our website at advantechmfg.com.